This one, this is a rainbow one that I got a long time ago. I had an AC Moore, which I don't even think is a thing anymore. But I collect things that I find in my shoes, like, because I'm like a magpie fairy. And when I go to put my shoes on, there will often be something bizarre inside of my shoe, like a ring or a piece of confetti or a googly eye or something. And over the years, I have put everything that I've found in my shoe in this jar. And one day it's going to be full of completely random stuff, and maybe they can like bury it with me. But yeah, you can do anything you want with them. So I have another one up here of the rainbow that says life is good because, and there's just like little pieces in there that you can draw. Okay, so live well with the mason jars. I hope this was fun for you. It's on November 30th, and I'll see you next week for bathtub party day. You have to feel good to do good. I love you. Bye-bye.